Hello, my name is Mario for Ka X Bodybuilding, and welcome to the channel.
Hey, 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 hey,
Hey guys, so today's Thursday, the 22nd of August. I'm going to be doing chest. But before we get started, if you enjoy this content, you want to support me, please like, subscribe, comment, tell a friend, and stay tuned to the end of the video for a little more inspiration. But anyway, so today I'm doing chest, like I said. If you guys have been watching my past videos, all of July has been a healing experience for me. So a lot of old injuries have been released, and I had to really, because they're really like injuries that have been there for a long time, the body really needed to get a chance to heal. So I had to pretty much keep it light. So that's what I did, and the important thing is to grow. And in order to grow, you need to remove all restrictions from your beingness. That means physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual. But we're not going to get too heavy into today. We're just going to stick with the physical. So if you have any old injuries lingering around, scar tissue, knots, imbalancements, they all have to be removed from your body in order to get your full potential. If you don't, you're not going to get your full potential. If you have a little bit sticking around, sure, you can have a pretty good life. But if you're really going for a high level of physical experience, everything has to be removed. So you have to do what you need to do, whether it be massage, light therapy, whatever you need, acupuncture, whatever it is. But the old injuries have to be removed, and that's it. So right now I'm going to be doing chest. I'm going to go about from medium to heavy. I'm not going for any big PRs today because I'm just building myself back up right now. So you always have to be conscious of that. If you take time off to heal, you're just doing light stuff, then you have to build yourself back up, right? So anyways, so I'm gonna be doing 6 chests, so 3 flies, lower, middle, upper, 3 presses, so decline, flat, and incline. Then I'll be doing 3 triceps, which as I always do, I do 2 short heads, 1 long head, and that'll be it. So usually what I follow the high intensity style training. So basically I use it as my foundation. I'll tweak it if I need to, depending, like I said, when I was healing, you can't be doing high intensity training, so you have to do more high volume. But now I'm feeling pretty good. So on my first exercise, I'm doing low chest flies on the cables. So I do, my first exercise, I usually always do a few warm-ups. Then after that, I cut back on my warm-ups. I just do a mind-muscle connection exercise. Then I do the actual working set. So this is probably gonna be like my 3rd or 4th warm-up, or it may just be my working set. We'll see what happens. So anyways, let's get to it. Yeah, so that felt pretty good. I think that was 50 pounds. Last time I had this marked was at 60 pounds for 8, but who knows when that was. I didn't mark the date down, so I think I'm gonna up it up to 70 pounds, and I'll probably leave it there as my working set. I don't really need to go into any major PRs. That's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for just to build back up and to teach the body how to function in its new self. And yeah, so let's go. yeah, so basically that's it, guys. It was a good workout. I got a few PRs, but wasn't really looking for that. But when you heal, things are going to improve. So you may get PRs when you're really not expecting it. But yeah, my chest press, I felt like I lost. I don't feel that I have my strength back. Like not even like close, right? So I think we're making a big adjustment in the like the structure in here, like the middle traps in the sternum area. So because I was weak there, and then when I did my diamond push-ups, I didn't even do one. And the last time I wrote it down was probably back in June or something. I think I did 12. So like I just, yeah, I could feel I didn't have the strength, but other exercises I felt stronger. So yeah, things are realigning. So you have to expect that and understand you have to adapt to that, and you know what I mean, be patient at the end of the day, because it takes time. If you had an injury hanging around for let's say 30 years of your life, you know what I mean, it's not, you can't just get rid of that just like that. It's going to take time. But if you want to improve, if you want to go to your to the best that you can be, you have to remove those injuries. So be patient, be intelligent, be conscious of what you're doing. Like when I did some of my warm-ups with the band, I did these here to warm up my rotor cuffs. I could feel my left side kind of twinge, and I wasn't really doing that heavy. I was using like the rubber band. But yeah, like you just gotta be aware of these things, be a little more conscious, and yeah, it should work out good for you. So anyways, hope you liked the video. Have a pleasant day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.